start with here. I love how versatile a kettle is. You can use it for so many different things in the kitchen. This electric kettle by Butterfly is an absolute kitchen essential. With a superior quality stainless steel body, this one is durable and very easy to handle. It comes with additional features like auto cutoff, dry boil protection, a 360 swirl base, and of course, a heat-resistant handle. With a capacity of 1.5 liter and 1-year product warranty, it is a great choice to buy for your home or coffee needs. This kettle comes with a power indicator and a lockable lid to avoid any accidents. Great, isn't it?